morning, everyone. Welcome to the Stock Market Morning Prep video for Thursday, June 25th. Well, we're looking for some weakness. We did get some yesterday. Not a bad trading day. We're anticipating a little bit of market weakness going into Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, maybe a little bit early next week, and then we have that possible holiday reversal where the markets get a little bit bullish, and then I'm looking for a short-term local top in place. After that little seasonal weakness of seasonal strength, for 2 to 3 weeks, right around the first to the third week of July, where the markets top, and then we sell off into a choppy fashion, and then we really get a nice little correction for September, October, and that's really where I'm looking at. So far, it's panning out. We are down. Well, actually, we're up 7 handles this morning on anticipation that Greece will get a deal done before the weekend. Now, markets popped up early in the pre-market, then kind of sold off again, saying that they're still working out a deal. So, obviously, Greece will hold us hostage again as far as the markets are concerned, and we're just going to have to continue to act quickly and react quickly to your trades, because anything could happen here. I still think that even though there's a deal or they kick the can down the road and then all of a sudden the markets rally, I think that's going to be a good fade. Whether it is during the time frame of where I'm looking for a rally, maybe the Greece says, hey, we got a deal done before the weekend, and then the markets rally for 2 weeks, and then they fade that enthusiasm for the Greece bailout, and then that's when I think we get a little bit of a pullback. Don't know, but it does look like it's kind of falling into place here. Over the weekend, when Greece says that we do not have a deal, and then what happens? Then the markets get a little spooked, and we sell off for 2 or 3 or 4 days going into the holiday weekend, and then maybe we start to rally that way. I'm not sure, but let's see how the cards unfold, and then we can go from there. So right now we're just looking for today, tomorrow. Right now I'm still looking to sell rallies here, even though we are up 8 handles. Any spike on Greece, I am going to fade for today. That's going to be the cue right now. Remember, things do change. Maybe there's a better bailout in place and everything is all good to go, and maybe the markets feel like, hey, that Greece is behind us now, and then they really rally them hard. That could happen too, remember. But as of right now, when we get these small little talks, these small little announcements where it's kind of meaningless and we get a little pop in the market, that's where I'm looking to short. Okay, but I'm looking to short into resistance. I'm not looking just to short the market that way, all right? Quickly look at the indexes, spiders. Again, guys, the song remains the same. We have gone nowhere again. We're back. Now we're getting closer and closer into this apex. So I think a huge move is imminent here, okay? I do suspect that we could rally higher, but we could also break down to the downside. And what direction, I have no idea. It is what it is. I'm not looking to call anything. We are making higher highs and higher lows, as you can see, for the last 3 months, but we really haven't gone anywhere. Okay, very, very choppy price action. Markets haven't done anything in 6 months. And we're going into the 7th month here. So let's be cautious. Let's not try to anticipate what we're looking to do here to get short and build a short position. If the markets rally, you'll get a better chance to do so. Okay. As far as day trading is concerned, we have a little bit more flexibility intraday to look for some longs and some shorts. So just keep that in mind. Let's take a look at the IWMs. Now, again, still the leader here, still running its course. And obviously we got a down day out of 5 out of 6 days we get a down day, which is absolutely normal, anticipating a little market pullback maybe to the moving average here to 20, which coincides nicely with this resistance area, now support. Okay, but take a look at the transports. Really got crushed yesterday. This is not a good sign. I'm sorry. I understand, they discount everything. They reprice everything because of crude oil, whatever the case may be. But you know what, guys? You cannot deny the fact that this is a horrible looking chart. Horrible. And we're breaking down. We closed below our line in the sand here. Now, it has to get back above this line today, and if it doesn't, I think we're going to really see some downside pressure coming in here. And again, at one point in time, A lot of these bigger fund managers and money managers will take notice here and start selling this market. Okay, this is the deciding factors, those transports. And if the Russell loses its luster and it starts to sell off too, that's not going to be a great sign. Okay, diamonds. What can you say? Again, very choppy, ugly looking chart here, guys. So just keep that in mind. Lastly is the Qs. Qs did actually holding up pretty well, but again, this ascending triangle here. Let me just remove some of this stuff here, kind of clean that up. This ascending triangle here, in the ascending triangle, just like the spiders, making higher highs and higher lows, it needs to break back out here, and it is not doing so. Right to the penny. We're getting closer to the apex, okay? But if we're starting to look for technology starts to fail, the banks start to fail, and then we have the Russell breaking lower along with the transports, not going to be a good sign. So let's see what happens. Looking for some weakness for today and tomorrow. And then really anything goes for Sunday night into Monday morning trading, and Tuesday and Wednesday for that matter, because Greece is it. It's the headlines, and let's see if they do come up with a deal, and they see what the markets do. If they like them, and we could run them up real hard, we could actually even capitulate to the upside, and then put in a local top that way. So it'll be interesting to see what happens over the weekend. Have a great day. We'll speak to you tomorrow, guys. Take care.